Well, that's a bit of a fucking bollocks, isn't it? I guess that's somewhere on the road, probably in 1,000 pieces by now. Ah well, just gonna bodge this fucker on for now. It's off the Honda Magna. Should fit, just change the wiring over. I think I can get that to fit onto that plate there, just about. Might have to file them holes out a bit further to get it to screw on. But so long as I've got a backlight, that's all that matters for now. There we go, made it fit. And it works. So, that'll do for now. You know, I could have bought a whole new light unit for 30 quid, but I haven't even fucking got 30 quid at the minute, so gotta do what you gotta do, ain't ya?